Okay, now we go for 8.21. Okay, so now I'm going to take this y equal to 3x cubed plus 6x squared plus x minus 4. Look how easy it is. That's why I'm showing you a little slide, a challenge. If it gives you like that, you know you can hammer it, man. So now this one, look, how I'm going to derivate. This is like power 1 since there's no power. So I'm going to do right and left. So it's everything in power. So before you start to derivate, make sure everything must be in power. So if you got root, let's say I had something like this. Let me do like this because that one is easy. So I can't start derivate if this is a root. Means this must be x 1 over 2 before I start to derivate anyway. But for now, they give us like, and then I'll take back. It's going to be easy. You know what I'm saying? So you have to look. Do I have any root? No root. Is everything in power? Yes. Now let's go. So take back 1 means which number says 1? 1 times 1 equal to 1, and then drop your y. 1 minus 1 equal to 0 because you must take part. Okay, take this, multiply by something at the back because there's no number means it was 1. 1 times 1 equal to 1. Drop your y. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. What do you differentiate here? Y. So you must write dy here. Now you come here. 3 times 3 equal to 9, and then drop your x. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 plus. Now you come here. 2 times 6 equal to 12, and you drop your x. 2 minus 1 equal to 1 plus. There's no power means power 1. You know what I'm saying? And there's no number means 1. 1 times 1 equal to 1. You drop your x. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Done. Minus any number. If it doesn't have x when you derivate equal to 0. Means since it doesn't have an x when you derivate it must equal to 0. How do you know that? Look, if somebody give me 3 derivate, why do we say this is going to be dy and this is going to be 0 dx? You know why? Because and they say divide by dx. So dy dx of 3 equal to 0. Why? Let me explain to you. Because when there's no x means it's like x power 0. Because x power 0 equal to 1. N number power 0 equal to 1. So it's like x power 0 because n number power 0 equal to 1. So it's like you introduce 1 and 3 times 1 equal to 3. Now let's derivate because you want to introduce x. So it's okay, this when you derivate is going to be dy, and then this 0 is going to come back. It's going to be 3 times 0 equal to 0. Drop 0 minus 1 equal to negative 1 dx. And 0 times anything equal to 0. Dx, dy equal to divided by dx, divided by dx. So dy dx equal to 0. You see what I'm saying? So when n number doesn't have an x, makes it equal to 0. So you can just do straight away. You don't have to do all of that. See, this number doesn't have a 0 equal to 0. So here on the right hand side, we differentiate x, give it respect, dx. You know what I'm saying? 1, any number power 0 equal to 1 means all this power 0 equal to 1. So 1 times 1 equal to 1, and they say dy. Okay, this is going to be 9x squared plus 12x power 1, is just 12x plus any number power 0 equal to 1. 1 times 1, because this is 1 times 1 equal to 1, minus 0, just nothing. So this how do we differentiate x? You must give respect dx. So we want to get dy dx. So how you can get dy dx? Means divide by dx, and divide by dx. This and this go. So dy dx equal to that, baby. Okay. So dy dx on 8.21 equal to 9x squared plus 12x plus 1. You know what I'm saying? Now we go for the next question. Okay, which is 8 to 1. 8 to 1? Okay, 8 to 1. It's actually more easier than that. Easy, man. Okay, cool. So this is easy. So first and foremost, I will factorize y because y has to be alone. You know what I'm saying? There's a y here, there's a y. So I factor out. So I take y out. So inside here, I'm going to be left with x minus. Since y went out, I'm left with 1. You can see x times y, yx, y times x, yx, y times 1 equal to y. So the same thing. Equal to, 2x squared minus 2x. Now we go. So now I just need y to be alone all the time. So I'm going to divide by x minus 1. So I haven't started yet to differentiate. I'm trying to simplify here. Divide by x minus 1. So this and this go. So y equal to, okay, I can take 2x because 2x is common here. This group and group 2x is common. So I'm going to say if I take 2x here out, look, I'm going to be left with only 1x. Because look, 2x times x, 2x squared. Minus minus. If I take 2x here, I'm going to be left with 1. Look, take 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 1, 2x. Oh, okay. And then at the denominator, I have x minus 1. So these are the same here. You see, these are similar. This and this go. So y, then I have here y equal to 2x. So now you ask me to derivate this, man. I'm not supposed to finish, man. You gotta finish, man. Easy, man. 100. So this is like power 1. So let's derivate now. And this power 1. So when you derivate, this is going to be 1, and then you drop your y, means take to the back, 1 times 1 equal to 1, you drop your y, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. What do you differentiate? Y. So give respect dy. Now 1 times 2, 2, drop your x, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. What do you differentiate? X. Give respect dx. 1 times any number power 0 equal to 1, so 1 times 1 equal to 1, and they say dy equal any number power 0 equal to 1, so all this equal to 1, so 2 times 1, and then here dx. So what we're going to do now? Divide by dx throughout, because we're looking for dy over dx according to the equation. Find dy dx. So divided by dx, divided by dx. This and this cancel. So dy over dx equal to 2, man. So we left with the first one. Let's say use first principle. Let me drink some water. Excuse me. So we left with the question that say you gotta use first principle. You know what I'm saying? Use the first principle. So now let's see how we can do how we can solve using first principle. You know what I mean? How we can solve using first principle. So derivative, I'm gonna write here on top. So you know, I don't know the spellings, man. How do I write like that? Okay, derivative or differentiate. Derivative or derivative. Derivative or differentiation. Differentiation is the same thing. The same thing. Okay, now let's check April 1. So let's say determine using the first principle of what of this one. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll do maybe one more example, and then we know we're done with it. First principle. Yeah, let me do that one, and I'm gonna add another example. Then you know we're done with it. You go with first principle. Let me do another one. Okay, this is the one in exam, but we're gonna do something like this. Let's say y equal to x cubed. Let's say plus 3. That's gonna be easy, I think. Let's say let me do this. Excuse me. If this one finish already, let me see. I'm gonna add something, man. Challenge a little. You know, I want to challenge you guys. I want you to pass, man. You know, to get this 100 is no joke. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, you know, you want to be here, you gotta be angry, guy. You know, we don't need lazy people here, man. You know, aiming distinction, easy, man. Okay. So let's use first principle and solve that question. So what we'll do, first you have to memorize this formula. Memorize. Is f, right? Is about f. So say f of x equal to f, put your x plus h, bracket, minus f of x, and then over h, limit h equal to 0. Please, can you take 2 minutes, memorize? I don't want you to say, I see there. I can see there, okay? Memorize. See me how I do? You memorize. Don't say it's there at the back. I know it. No, please, man. Can you get a paper, please? Get your paper, man. Write down for me, please, man. Do the favor, man. That's how you become the base. So after you memorize that, now we go. So let's say we have to find the first principle. We have to derivate. So this meaning is like derivative. This, when you say f prime, is like say find dy dx. Same thing. Okay? Now we go. So first and foremost, I have my formula. So I'm gonna go here is f. If it's g, you say g. Here I'm gonna say g. I'm gonna say g means gx plus h, gx over h, limit h equal to 0. Now we go. So now I'm gonna go here. So say, oh, it must be prime here. Excuse me. This must be prime here, guys. Now we go. So I'm gonna go here. F prime. You see this f here? This f is the number here. Which number we have here? 1. So number before x. So you see, f, x. So what is f? F is the f of x prime. Means we follow this formula. Equal. F is the number before x squared. So which number for this case is 1? If they say it's negative x squared, so which I'm going to put? Negative 1. If they say this is negative 3, I'm going to put negative 3 here and then bracket. But for this case, just 1. And I put my bracket. Okay, now we come. After number, x. But whenever there's x, you must plus h. Oh, but there's an x, okay. Plus, whenever there's an x, you must plus or must plus h. But what happened? There's a square there, so I'm going to put bracket in the square. Did I finish all the formula? Not yet. Okay, now we go. Okay, so this one is done. So I'll go minus. You know what I'm saying? Now we go. We minus f of x. What is f of x? means you must take this and involve for this and that. Minus f of x. What is f of x? Our f of x is all of this stuff. Excuse me, so we say, okay, 1, 1, bracket, x plus h, means whenever there's an x, you must plus h, and then there's a bracket, and then minus what? Minus 5. So we're done with all this. But the is means this is this, but with x plus h. And then we minus f of x. What is f of x? F of x is this exactly. So you say minus f. But with over h limit h approaches. So what we're going to do now, we just expand it. So this, let me say f prime. Only here, when you got it, you finish. Now you're going to put your bracket. Now you go x plus h squared. Okay, look. X plus h squared means like x plus h plus x plus x. Square means multiplied by the same thing. So we go x times x, x squared. The first times the second is going to be plus xh. First times the second plus xh. And second is going to be h squared. Now this you can add them together. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Oh, so I'm not going to write this, I'll write that. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5. And the minus, I'm going to say, oh, so this is x squared minus 5, which was f of x. And then over h, but limit our h equal to 0. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to open this. Oh, so f prime equal to x squared means I want to open the bracket. Plus 2xh minus 5. And this will be minus, I'm going to put in minus x squared. Minus plus 5. So look, something's going to cancel here, right? You got your h, limit, h approach to 0. H approach to 0. Look, negative 5 and positive 5, they cancel. Oh, positive x squared and this also cancel. Ha! Okay. So I'm left with 2xh over h. Okay, let's go. So now here, I'm going to be left with positive 2xh over h. But I still have a limit. Limit h approach equal to 0. So look, h and h cancel. So now this equal to 2x. You know what I'm saying? 2x. So, oh, so if I derivate all this function here, it's going to give me what? 2x. Done. Easy, man. It's African prime. It's African warrior. Oh no, we're not done yet, baby. So when you finish with the first principle, make sure you always have to prove if it's true. How do you prove? Come here, man. So do normal derivative. You know how to derive now. Now look. Is f of x equal to x squared minus 5. So how are we going to derive normal? Look, I'm going to say f prime. Okay, which number is here? This is 2. So there's a 1 here. 2 times 1 equal to 2. Drop your x. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. And this number, when you derive equal to 0. Because it doesn't have the x. Oh, so this here is saying 2x. Because x power 1 equal to x. Oh, it's true. So if you do normal derivative, and your answer is not the same, means you're wrong. So you have to prove when you finish. This is African warrior. African prime. Time to shine with distinction. Sub-Saharan native, get 100 easy, man. Listen, man, like I say, I do music just in case you don't know. You can click the link below, you know what I'm saying? Support your boy, leave the comments if this video was very, very helpful. And this video was shout out to Fusta and Grant from Panorama. This is a video request from them. Thanks a lot for your time. You know, this is Africa Prime. Africa shine. Time, I'm Sub-Saharan native. Time to shine with 100 distinction. Easy, man. Easy, baby. I'm out. Peace.